Hey ladies, so I'm going to show you how to use this monthly business income and expense report template. It does come in the bundle of the Boss Babe worksheets. You are able to edit this, all of your income categories. You can put all of the ways that you make income. So if you wanted to put your online sales, in-person sales, sponsorships, if you have people who give money towards your business, or I put investments because if I'm using other sources of income to invest into my business, that's a way that I can track it under investments like that. But you can, you know, title it whichever way you want to. And then under the expense category, you can put all of your expenses for your business. If you are paying some type of insurance, if you're paying for your website, email subscriptions, Canva, Planoly, different things you can easily delete and put whatever it is that you want to put on there. The cells are already formatted, so if you, for example, if you want to go ahead and document the amount of sales you made, so we are in July, so if you want to put your total sales for June, you could put $400. And as you can see right here, it shows you the total amount for the month of June. And then year-to-date total, it shows you how much you've made so far for the year. And it also shows you year-to-date amount right here as well. So if you go to expenses for the month of June, if you paid $100 here, if you paid $50 here, you could just put that in there. Website, if you paid $12 for your website, and so on. So it shows you right here for the month of June so far, your expenses are $162. Year to date is $162. So you can also, if you want to increase the text, you can to increase it. If you would like to make it a little bit larger, you can do that. You can format it however way that you want. If you want to remove some of the cells, you can. The only thing I would say is to just be mindful of the formulas. As you can see, I have the formulas up here. So I wouldn't suggest you deleting any of these columns. You can delete the rows, but don't delete the columns because it's formatted to give you the totals. So if you want to go back, just hit everything at 0, put everything at 0, and you start like that. So that's basically how you're able to use this template. If you want to, on your in your business binder, what you can do is at the end of the month, you can go ahead and do your totals to see exactly how much money you've made for the month this way. And then it's a quicker way. And if you have multiple ways that you're able to generate income, if you're just not only doing online sales or in-person sales and things like that, you can put everything on the spreadsheet and then you can print it out. And before you start using this template, I suggest that you make a duplicate copy of it just in case something funky happens to the one you're working on. So you just right click it and you click duplicate, and then it makes a copy of it. So what you can always do is make it for next year, 2021. And so therefore you have a blank template to go off of, and then you have your original one like that. I suggest that you do a duplicate copy of the original template so that, if something were to happen, you have the backup copy right here. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this template. If you have any suggestions or if you need help with something, please send me an email and I'll be right here to help you. So this is my first actual Excel template that I'm actually putting out. So if there's anything that you feel like I can tweak or improve, let me know. Yeah, just let me know and I will do that. I will make those edits and improvements to better help you and support you in your business. So I decided to go ahead and screen record me making the labels for my binder. So I am on Avery.com. So on the sheet it says to go to Avery.com/print, and the template number that I have right now is 75501. This is the template that I have, and I'm going to be using this. And I like this design. So I only need 8 tabs, so I'm only going to need one set. And so the text are the headers for each section. So I'm going to click next. I don't have an image. I don't need to put an image. Fine. Let's see. Yeah, it's fine. It's just simple. I don't need anything too complicated. So print all. Okay. Okay. Download. Okay, so this is my business binder. I have um, my vision board on the cover of it, and I do have a separate video I'll link below on how I created this. So this is just a pencil pouch that I can put my pencils, pens, things like that. I just got that from Office Max, and the covers here I really like because it's a sheet protector and a divider. These are 8-tab dividers, and I got these from Office Max for about $10. So you can arrange your binder whichever way that fits you. This is just how I decided to put mine. I put mine in this order, but you are free to put it in whichever order that you want for your business. Please let me know your thoughts about this. If there are pages that you would want me to include, or if there are certain things that you would like for your business that you would like for me to create for you, just let me know, because my goal is to be able to provide you resources that can help you in your business to help make things easier. So I'm all for it. Please send me an email, leave a comment below. I'm all for it. So please keep them coming. So if you are watching this video for the first time and you have not seen part one, please go ahead and look at part one. It explains the different sections of the worksheets, and also gives you an explanation of how you can use it. So go ahead and watch part one. I'll link it below. And the labels, I really didn't have any issues printing out the labels. It was very easy to actually stick on the tabs. So this divider gets an A+ in my book. I really love the ease of it. It's perfect, and it's 8 tabs, which I really love. All right, ladies, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave any questions and comments below. And don't forget to follow me on social media at The Diva Shop on Instagram and on Facebook.